Now, since I run a mechanic shop, I always get a lot of questions. First off, excuse my voice, I apologize. I always get a lot of questions, especially on these front wheel drive V8s like this Impala SS here. People always ask, hey, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get the plugs out of here, especially on the backside. What's your best advice? Well, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to do plugs on a front wheel drive GM product such as the Buicks. I know the Grand Prix came with 5.3 for a little bit, and the Impala SS. Are you ready? So, first step, pull the engine. Once you have the engine pulled, you have plenty of space to get in the spark plug holes. They're a little bit of a pain in the ass. So once you pull the engine, now you can come here, take off all your coil packs, and little plug boots, like the one I just took off. Grab your spark plug socket and ratchet, make sure it's set to off. Thread it on there somehow. There we go. And now, bam, easy. And you have access to all 8 of them, just like that. Nice, easy. And once you're done, throw the accessories back on, pop this bad boy back in, you're good to go. No complaints, man.